Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Jumia Technologies, and I have talked about this stock previously, and I'm going to probably reiterate the same thing again, that we are sitting at a position where the stock could probably go for a big bounce from here on. And if you are looking at this chart, so we are looking at a weekly chart, probably the stock has already makes a breakout, but for the sake of convenience as and also for the visibility purpose, we can use some of the confirmation level. But let me tell you, you can see, as I've already made some support and resistance level. So the level of 24 and 29 here was the resistance, and the stock has recently made a breakout above that. So if the stock is trading above $24 at least, then we can consider it as a breakout, and the next probable target will be $50 in this particular stock. Now, first of all, the biggest risk here, if the stock falls below $24, then the next support will directly come at $12, followed by 7.34 on the downside. So this is the major risk which one need to consider in this particular stock. But some people may or may not agree that whether it is a breakout or not. So for them, you can simply use $50 as your uh, big breakout target or resistance. Next target will be your resistance. So you can wait for the stock to cross and sustain over $50. Then you can probably consider it as a big breakout. Now these are the ways to look at it. Now it is dependent upon the individual, how he or she thinks, and whether he or she is comfortable, and at which level they want to consider it as a start of a new trend. Actually, once this level of 24 has crossed, it is a start of a new trend. Now, as I told you, the next target we are looking at is $50. Now, if the stock cross $50, then you have your next target, that is 81. Now, how this figure appears is the calculation or the movement of the previous trend. So the percentage I have calculated from the movement of this stock from 7 and probably 22 and $24 on the upside. So the percentage I have calculated. But this is not the big thing we are looking at. The big target which we are looking at here is this movement, which is 1000% movement. So if I apply the same kind of, because the breakout has happened, so if I apply the same percentage change, then this is 1007 or around that. Okay, so near to that level. So here we have that. Now the big target which we are looking at will be $267. So this is the thing which we are looking at, and how much time will it take. So because we are looking at a weekly chart, it will probably take a decent amount of time. So do not put a time barrier in front of you that I can hold it for 2 months or 3 months, because it doesn't matter if you are aiming for a big return. It doesn't matter whether it will take 1 month or 3 months, because at the end of the day, if the trend is strong and you are making money out of it, so there is no point discussing whether I can hold it for one more day or not. Okay, so all depend upon what you are thinking, how you are thinking, and what at the end of the day gives you. So here the trend is strong, and if the support, or if the stock holds above the support level or in between 24 and $29, you will definitely see some big gains in the weeks as well as in the months, or probably I will say in the months as well as in the years to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.